So yeah, this is my first purchase from Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshita and I'm genuinely sorry for not posting much in July because I went somewhere and then I was just in that vacation phase and I couldn't figure out what to post, and I want to create content which is genuinely you guys liking and interested about. So I took a quiet break for like 10 to 15 days and I figured out like what is the content which get more response on my channel. So it's all about like what I like and what I like to make, and also about what you guys like to watch on my channel. So yeah, I'm genuinely sorry for not posting much in July. Like I post only 2 videos. So in today's video I decided to share the few things which I order, and I keep ordering personal care and skincare such stuff from Amazon, or you can say different sites. So in today's video I'm going to share some personal care, or the you can say the grooming kits, or the tools, or you can say equipments, or the products which I have ordered very recently, or not very recently, it's been like a week or something like that, since I have actually ordered those products. And generally I do not record or reaction, or you can say the review videos like as soon as I get the product. I take my time, I try those products personally, and then only I should review or reaction or anything like that. It's like I am sure about what I'm talking. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to share some best purchases I have recently done from the Amazon, which is all about personal care and grooming. So without any delay, let's start the video. So the very first purchase from Amazon is this. This is Bronze Silk Apple 7 Appellator, which is actually wet and dry appellator, and this is like my first time buying an appellator. And I have done pretty much research about different brands and the way wet and dry appillators, the corded one, non-corded one, and I finally made my mind for this one. And so yes, I have finally purchased this for personal care and grooming. So yeah, this is my first buy, which is Bronze Silk Apple 7. And yes, I'm going to make one detail like one detail video in which I'm going to review this particular product, in which I'm going to mention like all the single or you can say little details about this products. But till then, yeah, this is my first purchase. As most of the people know by now that I am a complete human owl, or you can say I do not take adequate amount of sleep. So yeah, so my second purchase is this. This is Biotic Bio Seaweed Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Eye Gel. It's like I don't have any dry skin or oily skin problems. My skin is pretty perfect, well balanced, so I prefer gel products over cream based products. So yeah, this was my main reason behind buying Biotic gel than the eye cream. So yeah, I'm using this product since 3 to 4 days. I do not have seen that major difference yet, but yeah, this definitely calms the area nearby my eye, and it just gives that simply calming cool effect to my eye, and especially my under eye. So yeah, my second purchase was this. I'm more comfortable with gel products. So yeah. My third buy is this Jade Eye Roller and Gua Sha. It's like I have already opened it like 4 to 5 days back, and I'm using them and I'm in love with them. I was planning to buy Jade Roller or Gua Sha. I wasn't sure which one to buy, so I got this really nice combo offer on Amazon, and you won't believe the price. I'm going to mention the link of all the products which I bought from the Amazon in the description box below, so you can check that out. So yes, I was confused like whether should I get Gua Sha or Jade Roller. So finally I got combo, and I thought I should give it a shot because this is like my first time using, and I have no idea like how appropriately or how consistently I use them, or like I do not believe in myself when I buy products and think about genuinely using them in consistently manner. So I have really no idea, but I thought I should give it a shot. And so yeah, I have bought this combo. You can see the Jade Roller, the quality and everything is like perfect. I do not face any issue. The Jade Roller is perfect, and even the Gua Sha. So it's just been few days, so I'm not going to review them or something that they are making huge difference on my face or something. But yes, the entire process is very calming and very indulging when it comes to skincare and all. Okay, the last but not least is this dry brush. As you guys know that I do dry brush my body whenever I feel like. I do not follow, routine which I have to follow, I know. But yes, I have bought this dry brush. It comes with a stick but which I have removed, and I'm very comfortable, using it with my hand like this. So yeah, I have bought this one, as all you know what dry brushes do, which I have already mentioned in my skincare videos. So I'm going to mention the link of which in my description box again, so you can check out all about this dry brush techniques and all. So yeah, my last purchase is this dry brush. So yeah, I think I'm all done, and these are all the products which I have bought from Amazon, and I'm going to mention all the links in the description so you can check that out. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video, do not forget to like this video, share it with all your friends so also they can also take care of their skin and everything. So yeah, thank you so much once again, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And sorry for not posting consistently in July, but it won't happen again. Till then, enjoy this video and enjoy my other videos as well. Thank you so much. Bye.